How to use SEOAnt to optimize your website. In this video, we will show you how to use SEOAnt to optimize your website. Here are 6 steps to using SEOAnt. 40% of visitors tend to leave websites that take longer than 3 seconds to load. Sites that load fast and provide a smooth user experience are more likely to rank higher in Google search results. Click speed optimization. Choose site speed up. After clicking one-click acceleration, in order to avoid some possible problems caused by the acceleration of your current website theme, you can copy the acceleration test effect of a theme. Optimize the image. In addition to optimizing the resource code of the website itself, optimizing the image will also greatly improve the acceleration speed of your website. Enter speed optimization, image optimization. When you optimize the image for the first time, you need to make some custom settings. You can set the size of the image, compression, add alt, image file name, and other functions. Turn on automatic optimization. After the setting is completed, automatic optimization can be turned on. SEOAnt will continue to optimize the new pictures of the website for you according to your custom settings. The optimized image will be viewed in the location of the history. If you are not satisfied with the optimized image, you can restore the image. SEO audit is a key step to your success in the SEO field. By thoroughly analyzing the SEO factors of your website, it can discover valuable insights and determine where you are doing well and where you need to improve or fix. This comprehensive assessment ensures that your site is search engine friendly, increases visibility, and enhances the overall user experience. Go to Home/SEO Checker. Click on One Key Fix. One Key Fix can help you repair some functions with one button, but some problems involve updating website content or advanced settings, which still need you to modify manually. Meta tags are HTML tags used to provide additional information about a page to search engines. A good meta title meta description can not only make search engines understand your website content faster, thereby improving website rankings, but also make it easier to attract users to click on your website and increase the click-through rate. Enter search appearance meta tags. It is very inefficient to create titles for websites one by one, so SEOAnt provides the function of automatically generating meta titles and meta descriptions in batches. Select the page you want to generate automatically. Select automatically generated rules. When entering for the first time, the default rules are used. You can also change the content manually, with a preview effect on the right. If many pages of your website already have meta tags, you can check not to overwrite the original tags. After automatic generation is enabled, SEOAnt will automatically continuously generate meta tags for you. The generation record of meta tags is displayed at the bottom of the page. If you are not satisfied with the generated content, you can choose to restore the original tag content. Google structured data is a form of data markup that can help search engines better understand the content of web pages. Search results for structured data will be more attractive to users. Enter search appearance Google structured data. The page offers 7 types of structured data features, and you can click on the right image to view the specific display styles. Simply click the switch to quickly enable them, but please note that structured data cannot be applied with just one click. After enabling, you will need to wait for Google's indexing time. It may take a few days before you see the effects in search results. As a search engine, Google's goal is to provide users with the most relevant and valuable search results, so quality content and a good user experience are key. Enter on-page SEO scan. Enter the page with low SEO score. Enter the page details and optimize the content according to the rules. If you do not want to click optimization one by one, you can consider using the AI function to automatically generate content for you, which will save your time to the maximum extent. The above is the basic steps to use SEOAnt. After completing the above operations, what you need to do in the future is to continuously optimize the content of the website, optimize the product description, increase the blog, or get more backlinks by obtaining the backlinks function to improve the authority of your website. Through the above actions, you will definitely help your product achieve SEO success.